Because it's so powerful and so amazing, it's one of the famous Gitas of the Bhagavatam, 10th canto. That I was, because in a Sadharani Karan practice, we're supposed to be Bhav Tadatmya, which means you have to feel it and read it and identify, it's an equalization. Mother's crying, I'm crying. Remember my analogy? So how's Radharani feeling? She's waiting the Kunja for Krishna, and he promised to meet her. Now he's not coming till sunrise. And so how she feel, and what can I do to make her feel better? So this is the idea, the thinking. So when I was chanting it, Gopi Geet, I was thinking that all these prayers are different gopis. And as a mantri, I learned something. I learned something from each one of these gopis. They teach me. And Sakalpa Prakash or something. One prayer by Raghunath Das Goswami. He's praying to each Sakhi, "Oh Radharani, when will I go to you? When will I go to you as a mantri? And you will teach me how to tell riddles, Praheli. You will teach me how to play veena. You will teach me how to sing. And you will teach me how to compose dramas." Many things, 4 or 5 things. "Oh Lalita, I will go to you." So not only are they learning different kala, talents and kala, arts from Sakhis, and Boma Vrindavan training school, VIHE, GIHE, or Gopi training, whatever, we can make some parody of that. So, moreover, the manjari is a composite of the different bhavas of the different Sakhis. So one Sakhi, like Radharani, she represents Swadina Bhatrika Bhav. All the bhavas are there. Swadina. And then another Sakhi is Kalahantarita, another Navisarika. These are mentioned by Rupa Goswami, which Sakhis represent. So when we're chanting this prayer, these are different prayers of these different Sakhis. So we're praying that we become this bhav of you in this prayer that you're expressing and your separation from Krishna, that becomes I become one with this bhav. These are maybe a little high kind of talks for some devotees, but whatever comes, you collect, it'll be good.